Hello everyone. So today we will be learning .NET with AI. So I am coming from the React background and I have little bit knowledge and hands-on Java backend services, Java backend basically. But I am completely new to .NET, like .NET, ASP.NET, .NET Core, C Sharp. Those things are completely new for me. So yeah. I have heard those terms recently only, and I want to learn them. So I have started this series with the ChatGPT. So let's get started. Uh, I am coming from total front end background. I have knowledge of Java, but completely new for .NET. Help me learn it as a complete beginner. Sorry for my spelling mistakes. So yes, keep it simple and easy. Let's see. Okay, so it's comparing React with the .NET. React is UI library, Node.js is runtime plus backend. Yes, so .NET is everything combined for backend plus apps. Okay, so I'm not sure about this. Platform to build backend, APIs, web apps, desktop apps. So okay, so we can build many things with .NET. React is UI, what users is. Node.js is the server logic. Imagine building a web app. Now replace Node.js with .NET plus C Sharp. Okay, so it's like building the backend systems. For that, .NET is used. Core pieces. So we use C Sharp language like Java, but cleaner and modern. Okay, CLR is the runtime in .NET, I believe. As it's like JVM in Java and Node runtime in okay. So .NET Core code runs inside CLR, common language runtime. Okay, let me draw this out. So let me draw this. So what it is saying, okay, let's do the scratch diagram. So it's like okay, so this is .NET, this box is .NET, let's say, make it bolder, excel. So it has many things inside it, create large now. First is C Sharp, next is CLR, which is runtime. C Sharp is language. Okay, and sorry for the spelling. Okay, and then what it has, CLR, which is runtime, engine that runs your code. Okay, SDK. Okay, creating projects, running apps, installing dependencies. It is like package manager plus tools. Okay, .NET SDK, .NET SDK. It is used for runtime, running apps, installing dependencies. Running apps plus install dependencies. Okay, got it. Then after that, okay, ASP.NET Core, most important for you. This is what you will use as a React dev, equivalent of Express.js. Okay, got it. Architectural. React app calls API, backend handles logic in .NET. React calls ASP.NET Core API, returns JSON. Okay. Let me ask him for the let's write one small code for getting more understanding. Okay, give me command to terminal, install it. Okay, until it downloads. What is next command? .NET version to verify. Create a small program. .NET new console minus and hello.NET. Okay, and okay, then I write simple code. Okay, I have to create a file inside the project. Got it. It's taking some time to download. Okay, it's done. So now let's move to my folder, cd desktop, then cd my workspace, now here I will create the project. Let's do this, copy paste. Okay, .NET new console command could be added possibly because download.net. Okay, what it is saying, I am here. Okay, could not be loaded possibly because you need to execute .NET application new does not exist, or okay, I need to restart my terminal, seems like that. Okay, now cd desktop and my workspace. Now if I will paste it. Okay, let's ask him this one. What's it saying? Okay, let's see. If I go to my home and try here, still it's not giving. Install, but terminal can't find it. Go install manually. Install SDK, not runtime. Choose latest after install closed. Okay, let's try this. Okay, let's restart the terminal meanwhile. It's downloaded now. Okay, now try to terminal. Okay, let's copy our command. It is installed. This is .NET version. Let me verify the .NET version first. Okay, let me go here in the downloads, and if I go here, continue, install. Okay, it's done. Let's see now. Let's see if I paste it. Yes, now it's there. Great. So I verified it, so don't miss to verify first. Now let's open it. Open. It's in desktop. In my workspace I have hello.net, and I'm opening that. Okay, it is hello. So we got our first .NET project in here. This is it, hello.net. Okay, it has JSON file. I'm not able to understand this, but let's check out. Okay, this is the program.cs and hello.net CS project. So let's go here. Okay, write a code. So I'm copy pasting this code. in program.cs. Okay, done. Now I have saved. If I go here, main, okay, main entry point, like starting your app. Okay, so it's like similar syntax like Java only. This is the entry point, same as Java, so yeah, it's familiar. And console.writeLine, it's like console.log in React, so it's also familiar for me. Run the program. Okay, so now if I go here and if I run the program, it's saying hello from .NET, sum equal to 15. Okay, so we have successfully executed the program. So what we have written one line, console line, plus we have added numbers. It's like concatenation in the JavaScript. So yes, it's again familiar, and this is the sum. This is great. So this was really easy here. So quick mapping, console log is console run. That's what I said. Number is int. Okay, function is method. Entry file is program.cs. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so let me. But I'm confused about few things here. What is the CS proj file? Okay, it has the config for the output. Okay, the version description and few other descriptions. I am not able to understand this, but yeah, these are the descriptions. We can ask ChatGPT for the explanation here. And what is the debug? Okay, it's a lot of JSON prompts target file, but yeah, and it has bin as well. Okay. What are all JSON props and target files? Also explain this. What was the file name? CS proj file. .cs proj file. Okay. JSON in .NET, same as what you already use in React. App settings.json, app name my app, login level info. Okay, it's like setting file. It has the environment configuration. Okay, got it. Okay, so we can access environment variables from this. What is CS proj file? This is very important. To myapp.ch proj. Think of it like package.json. Okay, yeah, that's what it has. The version descriptions. Target framework. Your app runs on .NET 8. Okay, dependencies. Yes, it has the dependency version, same as package.json. Okay, yeah, got it. So this is very relatable with the front end background now. Build settings, hidden config for the compiling your app. Simple meaning, CS proj is equal to how to build plus what to use plus where to run. Okay, what to use is the dependency descriptions, where to run and how to build, where are those things. What is the props? You will see. Project properties. Okay, this is what how to build. Okay, so it's like output type and all those things. Equivalent. Okay, last takeaway, CS proj is equals to dependencies plus build. App settings is config. Okay, let me check the code. CS proj has all the things. Okay, yeah. In Java POM XML. So in .NET, okay, in React it's package.json, in Java it's POM XML, and in .NET it's CS proj. Your file explained SDK. What is this? You are telling .NET use the default SDK to build a console app. Okay. Analogy scripts node index but more powerful, it defines how your project is built. Okay, that's what how to run thing it includes. Property group, this is just a container for settings. Okay. Output type, your app will run as console application, so it has exe output type. Like running node. Okay, exe is like running node index.js library. Library is like exporting functions, no direct run. Okay, run this app using .NET 10. Reality check. As of now, .NET 10 may not be installed on your system. That could be why you got no .NET SDKs were found. Change it to, oh okay, yeah, I will update this to .NET 8 version now. Got it. Implicit things, you don't need to write common imports manually. Okay, if we enable this thing, yeah, I'm getting the meaning of this now. Automatically available, using system is automatically available. Okay, helps avoid null related bugs. And that's pretty much convenient, using this directly instead of handling it. Null checks everywhere, prevents crashes. Okay, still long way to go, but yeah, I got pretty much idea about this code, and yeah, we have wrote the small program. So let's dive more deeper and learn about the core concepts in the next video. Thank you for watching.